Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix unable to connect network error in Wells Fargo app. Unable to connect usually means a network or DNS problem. Here's a quick checklist. First of all, go ahead and toggle your airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds before turning it off. This will reset the connection. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, turn off any VPN, DNS or proxy if you're using them. Now clear app cache if you're on Android. Now if you're on iOS, go ahead and open your settings app, search for iPhone storage, look for the Wells Fargo app, then offload it. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back the data if the app is still available for download. Next, check Wells Fargo status online to rule out outages. On Android, set private DNS to automatic or off for trouble-free banking, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.